Isabella Adeline Sale. I am 7 years old. I want to wish you and your family a Merry Christmas. Huh?
And a Happy New Year.
And have a Happy New Year.
You want to show your puppies? Who is that? Who is that?
My dog is named Paco.
How old is Paco?
2.
He's not 2, he's 3.
I mean 3.
Who's this one?
Lacey. Lele. Okay.
Anything else you want to say to anybody?
No. Make sure you get a lot of presents.
And be good, or...
And be good. Don't be on the naughty list. Don't get on the naughty list.
Oh, there she is. There she is. Who is that?
Lacey. She's 3 years old.
She's 2.
I mean, ah! Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.